In this video, I'm going to show you how to add order flow in NinjaTrader 8. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your chart, and then you want to click on indicators up top, and in here where it says search for order flow. And then there we go. These are all the order flow indicators you can put on your chart, and then select the one you'd like to have. For example, the volume profile. Click on add over here, and then you can just go ahead and basically adjust its properties however you want them to be. There's a bunch of things you can play with and change, and then click on apply. And then OK, but as you can see over here, of course, to be able to do this, you'll have to go to the plans section inside your client dashboard in your NinjaTrader account, and then you will have to add the order flow plus functionality to actually be able to do this. If you don't have it and you're getting this error message, click on manage your subscriptions. It's going to take you to the page where you can actually do that, and you can basically figure out that there. So let me actually show you how this is done. Whenever you click on manage your subscription, this is automatically going to take you over here to your dashboard when you can go where you can go to plans and you can get that sorted. But if you are still inside your dashboard on the home tab, click on your account top right, click on settings, and then plans, and you'll be able to add this in here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.